Hi, my name is Amy North, creator of the #1 women's dating product on ClickBank, Text Chemistry. I am going to reveal a secret text message you can send to a man to forget about every other woman and focus all of his attention, love, and desire on you and only you, to make you the only woman that he ever has on his mind, and to make him worship you, fantasize about you, and obsess over you as if you were the last woman on earth. The moment you use this text on a man, you will make his heart pound with hunger and excitement. So if you're sick and tired of him ignoring your text messages and pulling away, then keep reading. Because this one little text holds the key to make any man feel an everlasting love for you and only you, forever. This sounds unbelievable, I know, but it has worked shockingly well for the hundreds of women I've shared this kind of text message with. Want proof? Just read this story about my friend Sarah, and I promise that you will be shocked by what happens. Click the link in the description to go to the story.